Oh, God. I need to make coffee. So, and I'm too lazy to go to Starbucks, so I'm just going to make some coffee. God, let's see. What do I do first? Get the copy whoppy. Oh no, it's connected. And I can't deal with it with one hand. Ah! Okay, got the coffee or the cup. Now what? It says next thing to do is put ice in it. Hey. Alrighty, I did that. Shake. Now. Oh, it says plug it in. Okay. Can I plug it in with one hand? Crap. Turns out, yes, I can plug it in with one hand. Okay. Turn it on. Hey. Keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it, tip it, tip it, tip it, tip it, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it, tip it, tip it, tip it. Come on, I don't have all day. Oh, it says water needs to heat up. Alrighty, alrighty, we will wait.
Zoom in 0%. Zoom out 248. Stop recording. Zoom in 0%. Zoom out 253.
No, I can't pause it. Okay. Oh, it says while water's heating up, take out old pod. I think that's this thing. Click. Put new pod in. Close lid. Close drawer. Shit. Make sure cup is on the container thing. And it is. Lift up on handle. Put handle down. Hit big button. Ah, wait. It said, warning. If you want flavor, put flavor in. Well, I want flavor. You want flavor? So I have to put the... Let's see. Well, some bitch. I don't know what flavor it is. Ooh, caramel. Whoa. I knew that wouldn't last. Pick up handle again. Put it down. Hit big button. and wait. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, the smell of coffee. The ice is making noises too. Come on, fatso. Take off thingy. Put straw in and stir. And that's how it's done.
Zoom out. 620. Zero. Zoom it. Stop recording button.